Namaste dear student, that is a continuation, that is I am taking that lecture as a lecture number 1. Now in previous lecture we discussed total number of 6 properties of square and square root. Now today in continuation property number 7. Now property number 7 is here. If n is the perfect square, अगर n a perfect square रहेगा then 2n is never a perfect square. इस क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग ये है, अगर n is a perfect square then 2n is never a perfect square. Now let us see, n is equal to, suppose if you are taking here 9, right, but 2n is equal to 2 multiplied by 9, here we are getting 80. If n is the perfect square then 2n is never a perfect square, is 2 multiplied by n. Now suppose take any number, if suppose here n is equal to 16, now while writing 2n is equal to 2 multiplied by 16, here we are getting 32. Now that 32 is never a perfect square, that 18 is never a perfect square. Now after that, see the property number 8 is there. A perfect square number is never a negative. Property number 8, perfect square number never be negative. Now why the perfect square number is never be negative? Now suppose if you see, now it's minus 6 multiplied by minus 6 here. Now let us see, minus 4 multiplied by minus 4 is equal to here 16, right? Plus 4 multiplied by plus 4, again we are getting 16. Means that 16 may be the square of minus 4, or it may be the square of positive 4. We see positive 4 square is equal to 16. And how? Now see, 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16. This positive 4 square is equal to 16. Now after that, see, minus 4 whole bracket square is equal to minus 4 multiplied by minus 4. Now what is mean by that square is that minus 4 will get multiplied by 2 times is equal to here again 16, right? But see here the square of positive number is always positive and the square of negative number is also always positive. Means there is no chances to get the square of, means the perfect square of any of the number is negative. Means जो भी perfect square रहता है वो हर बार क्या रहता है, वो नंबर कौन सा रहता है आपका, पॉजिटिव रहता है. ये क्या है उसके एग्जांपल से, राइट? Now see the next property. Now property number 9, for n natural number, for n natural number, the sum of first n number is n square. प्रॉपर्टी का मीनिंग समझ लो. फॉर n natural number, now if suppose if you are considering here n is a natural number, then the sum of first n odd number is equal to n square. Now see here, if suppose if you are writing here 25, right? Now that 25 is the square of 5. Now let us see here, we see, now take with that here the value of n is 5, right? Means here we can write it down here 1 plus here 3 plus here 3, after that there is a 7, after that there is a 1 2 3, sorry 5 is remain, here is 7. Now after that there is a 9. Now see here I took that n is equal to 5, is 5n square is equal to 25 is equal to Now see here, 1 plus 3, here we are getting 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 7, 16, and 16 plus 9, here we are getting 25. Now let us see here, 1 square is equal to, that means here 1, right? 2 square, here we can write it down, here, see, only 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, and 4 is the square of 2. 3 square, here we can write it down, 1 plus 3 plus 5, is here see, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. After that 4 square is equal to here see 1 plus 3 plus here 5 plus here again 7 is equal to we are getting 16. मीन्स प्रॉपर्टी का मीनिंग ऐसा है, अगर 1 का स्क्वायर रहेगा 1 तो यहाँ पे देखो 2 का स्क्वायर अगर 4 रहेगा तो ये जो रहता है इट मीन्स फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग द सम ऑफ तो ऑड नंबर जो आते हैं उनकी सम रहती है, और सम कितने आती है यहाँ पे 4. मैंने देखा फॉर n नेचुरल नंबर द सम ऑफ फर्स्ट n ऑड नंबर इज n स्क्वायर. आपको समझ में, द सम ऑफ फर्स्ट n ऑड नंबर, देख लो ये दो ऑड नंबर की सम ये किसके बराबर है n स्क्वायर, बट हियर n इज व्हाट 2 का स्क्वायर है. नाउ सी फॉर एवरी natural for every natural number n, if n plus 1 whole bracket square minus n square is equal to n plus 1 plus here n. now स्टूडेंट समझ लेते हैं ये क्या लिखा मैंने. अगर मान लो कोई भी नंबर है, फॉर मैं कंसीडर करूंगा कि n की वैल्यू जो है मेरी 3 है, राइट. अब यहाँ पे अगर मैं वैल्यू पुट करूंगा मींस n प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू बन जाएगा 3 प्लस 1 इक्वल टू 4, राइट. एंड n इज इक्वल टू मेरे पास कितना है 3 है. ये वैल्यू अगर आप इसमें पुट करोगे तो यहाँ पे देख लो n प्लस 1 होल ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर माइनस n स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू n प्लस 1 ब्रैकेट कंप्लीट n प्लस 1 ब्रैकेट कंप्लीट प्लस here n. Now see here n plus 1 square, here n plus 1 is here how many 4 square minus n square, but n is how many 3 square is equal to, now see 4 square is equal to 16 minus 9, here we are getting, see here we are getting 9 minus 16, here we are getting 5, what we are getting 5, means here n plus 1, we see n plus 1 is here 4. Now see here n 16 minus 9, here we are getting 7, right. Once we get here 7, but see the thing is that here that n square minus this here 16 minus 9, here we are getting is equal to 7, right, in that way. Now we solve only this part. Now students see here n plus 1 minus n मीन्स यहाँ पे मैं लिखूंगा 4 का स्क्वायर माइनस 3 का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 4 प्लस 3, राइट. मीन्स द स्क्वायर द डिफरेंस ऑफ स्क्वायर ऑफ टू कंसेक्यूटिव नंबर. यहाँ पे देख लो 4 और 3 क्या है, तो कंसेक्यूटिव नंबर है, उनके स्क्वायर का जो डिफरेंस आता है वो किसके बराबर आता है, यहाँ पे उसके सम के बराबर आता है. वो कैसे कि देख लो यहाँ पे इस 4 का स्क्वायर यहाँ पे देख लो कितना आएगा, जैसे कि मान लो अपन मान लेंगे यहाँ पे n प्लस 1 जो है 4 का स्क्वायर, राइट, माइनस n का स्क्वायर मीन्स 3 का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू मीन्स 16 माइनस 9, here we are getting 7, right. but here see n plus 1 means 4, n कितना है आपके पास में 3 means ये अपन कितना लेंगे 7 is equal to 7. इस प्रॉपर्टी का मीनिंग एक ही है, the square of difference of two consecutive natural number is equal to their sum.